In this video, we will help you understand how to start investing in cryptocurrencies. We will walk you through each step, providing detailed explanations to ensure you feel confident and informed. Cryptocurrency is a form of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional money, which is issued and regulated by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. The first and most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. Created in 2009 by an unknown person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, thousands of alternative cryptocurrencies have been developed, each with unique features and uses. To begin your journey into cryptocurrency, it is essential to grasp some basic concepts and terminology. Cryptocurrencies can be stored in digital wallets, which are software programs or physical devices that securely store your digital assets. These wallets can be categorized into hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, making them more convenient for transactions, but potentially less secure. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline, and thus provide a higher level of security for long-term storage. Another critical aspect of cryptocurrency is the public and private key system. A public key is a string of characters that others use to send you cryptocurrency. Think of it as your email address. A private key, however, is like your password and must be kept secret. It grants access to your wallet and allows you to manage your funds. Losing your private key can result in losing access to your cryptocurrency, so it is crucial to keep it safe and secure. Now that you have a basic understanding of cryptocurrency, the next step is to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. An exchange is a platform where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. When choosing an exchange, consider the following factors. Number 1. Security features. Look for exchanges with strong security measures, such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, encryption, and cold storage for funds. Number 2. User interface. A user-friendly interface makes it easier to navigate the platform and execute transactions. Number 3. Fees. Compare the fees charged by different exchanges for trading, depositing, and withdrawing funds. Number 4. Reputation. Research the exchange's reputation by reading reviews and checking for any past security breaches or issues. Once you have selected an exchange, you need to create an account. Visit the exchange's website and click on the Sign Up or Register button. You will be prompted to provide your email address and create a password. After completing this initial step, you will need to verify your identity. This process usually involves uploading a photo of your ID card or passport and possibly taking a selfie holding your ID to confirm your identity. This step is essential for security and regulatory compliance. After your account is set up and verified, it is time to secure it. Use a strong, unique password that includes a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for an added layer of security. With 2FA, you will need to provide a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your mobile phone, every time you log in or perform sensitive actions on the exchange. With your account secure, the next step is to fund it. You can link your bank account or credit card to the exchange to deposit funds. Navigate to the deposit or funding section of the exchange and follow the instructions to link your preferred payment method. Depending on the exchange, you might be able to use various methods, including wire transfers, ACH transfers, or credit debit cards. Once linked, enter the amount you wish to deposit and confirm the transaction. It might take a few minutes to a few days for the funds to appear in your exchange account, depending on the method used. Now that your account is funded, you are ready to buy your first cryptocurrency. Decide which cryptocurrency you want to invest in. Bitcoin is a popular choice for beginners due to its widespread recognition and large market cap. However, other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin also offer unique features and investment opportunities. To purchase cryptocurrency, go to the Buy section of the exchange. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy and enter the amount you wish to invest. You can typically specify the amount in your local currency or in the cryptocurrency itself. After entering the amount, review the details and confirm your order. Once the transaction is completed, the cryptocurrency will appear in your exchange account. Storing your cryptocurrency securely is crucial to protect your investment. While you can keep your funds in the exchange's wallet, it is generally safer to transfer them to a personal wallet. Choose between a hot wallet or a cold wallet based on your needs. For daily transactions or frequent trading, a hot wallet is convenient. For long-term storage and enhanced security, a cold wallet is recommended. To transfer your cryptocurrency to your wallet, go to the Withdraw or Send section of the exchange. Enter your wallet's public key, which acts like your address for receiving funds. Double-check the address to ensure accuracy, as transactions cannot be reversed once initiated. Confirm the transaction, and your cryptocurrency will be transferred to your personal wallet. Keeping your investment safe is paramount. Here are some security tips to follow. 1. Never share your private key. Your private key is the key to your funds. Keep it secret and never share it with anyone. 2. Use strong, unique passwords. For your exchange and wallet accounts, use strong passwords that are difficult to guess. Avoid using the same password across multiple accounts. 3. Beware of phishing scams. Be cautious of emails, messages, or websites that ask for your personal information or private keys. Always verify the authenticity of the source before providing any information. To monitor your investment, use cryptocurrency tracking apps or websites to keep an eye on prices and market trends. Staying informed about the latest news and developments in the cryptocurrency world can help you make better investment decisions. Joining online communities on platforms like Reddit and Twitter can also provide valuable insights and support from other investors. Finally, deciding when to sell your cryptocurrency is a critical aspect of investing. Set clear goals for your investment, such as a target profit or a specific time frame. When your goals are met, you can sell your cryptocurrency to realize your gains. To sell, go to the Sell section of the exchange, enter the amount you want to sell, and confirm your order. The proceeds from the sale will be credited to your exchange account, which you can then withdraw to your linked bank account. Congratulations! You have now learned the basics of investing in cryptocurrency. Remember to continue educating yourself, stay informed, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Happy investing!